guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ANZA-T, and today we will be baking a 4-ingredient chocolate chip biscuit. This is a very easy recipe that you can follow. Please stay tuned, and please show support to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below. It won't do anything funny to your cell phone or chow your money in any way. It just shows your love and support for my channel, and it helps us keep growing. Without wasting any of your time, let's get straight into baking this very simple biscuit. It's a 4 ingredients. You only need like 4 ingredients. Let's get right into the video.
You are going to need 4 cups of flour, 1 tin of condensed milk, some Rama 300 grams, chocolate chips, 2 cups of those, which equals to 100 grams. This is literally all you are going to need. To start off by cutting your Rama 300 grams of that, and once you've done this, you can go right ahead and pop your Rama into a microwave to defrost it. You can even melt it. For biscuits, it's not that serious. So after you've melted in, you're just going to directly mix it into your flour. You can mix with your hands, but remember to wash your hands very thoroughly before you go in. So yeah, mix, and then we are going to work with the next ingredients. Mix away. So now you can grab your condensed milk and just open it up real quick, and then directly add it into your flour. Then you can mix it in with a spoon. If you have those automatic mixers, this would be really nice, because for biscuits we don't have to worry about overworking our flours. Biscuit flour doesn't ruin very quickly, so you can mix it up very nicely. So I did go in with my hands. Remember to keep your hands clean, very clean. Wash your hands before you decide to mix it. And then condensed milk does get stuck in your tin because it's very viscous. It won't come out, so you can go in and get it, or just add a little bit of milk to lift out the remainder and like add it in properly. But where I added like a little bit of milk into the condensed milk tin, because my condensed milk was really stuck on the tin, so I just got that last part out and I mixed. So directly into the flour you're going to add now that 100 grams of chocolate chips or chocolate drops. You can also use like crushed up chocolate, which actually works better like dark chocolate. And then I went in with 60 more mils of milk before I added more chocolate chips, because my flour was seeming a little bit too thick. So yeah, you can add a little bit of more milk, but that dough could have been fine still. So quickly spray your pan with some non-stick spray to prepare it. And as we are about to cut out the scones, also prepare your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. I was just cleaning my lens. Anyway, then scoop up some of your butter onto the onto a surface lined with flour. I'm also lining a mug so that I can roll out. Can someone please buy me a rolling pin? Anyway, so you're going to roll it to like until the flour is thin, because we don't want much of a rise. And also you can try using cake wheat flour so that you don't get your cookies to rise. I used self-raising, so both the options will still turn out good. Then I'm just cutting them up with the cookie cutter, and then I'm gonna place them onto the baking tray. And once the oven is hot enough, I am ready to bake. So you're going to pop them into the oven. I had already taken out the first tray. So now you bake at like 200, between 200 and 220, and this is the final product. We are done
baking. So I've just put the scones on like a metal rake to cool them off. So I'm gonna store them in a container later. So this is a very easy, it's beginner friendly, and I hope you enjoy. And please remember to subscribe, comment, like and share. I love you very much, and thank you for tuning in once more. Bye.